Find the best motorcycle jackets for men on Amazon. We analyzed consumer reviews to find the top-rated products. Find out which product high scored and buy. I am going to review top 8 best motorcycle jackets for men on the market. 8. Viking Cycle Stealth Men's Motorcycle Jacket. Good quality and durable. Warmth and comfortable. Good protection and safety. Breathable fabric. 7. Pilot Motosport Direct Air Mesh Motorcycle Jacket. Windproof and water resistance. High strength and durable. Abrasion resistance and breathable. Great looks and comfortable. 6. Viking Cycle Men's Motorcycle Jacket. Good insulation and warmth. Flexible and smooth texture. Waterproof and easy to adjust. Strong durable material. 5. Milwaukee Leather Classic Police Style. Good design and quality. Warmth and comfortable. Good protection and safety. Good ventilation. 4. Hot Leathers Heavyweight Leather Jacket. Good insulation and comfortable. Strong and durable. Weather resistant and smooth texture. High quality and good fit. 3. Viking Cycle Motorcycle Jacket. Waterproof and breathable fabric. Easy to wear. Good protection and safety. Warm interior. 2. Joe Rocket Phoenix Motorcycle Riding Jacket. Warm and cozy. Smooth and well-insulated interior. Padded shoulders and elbows. Good visibility in the dark. 1. Joe Rocket Classic Leather Motorcycle Jacket for Men. High quality material. Good stitching and durable. Amazing protection and safety. Good looks and design. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.